Can you solve this question? It looks simple, but at the same time, it is easy to make mistakes. So now I'll be using two methods to explain. Let's start this way. An elevator is on floor -2. Let's first write that it is on floor -2. So from floor -2, it goes up 5 floors. That means it goes up 5 floors. Up is plus, while going down is negative, and then down 3 floors, that will be -3. Which floor is it on now? So now we say -2 plus 5. This gives 3, because -2 plus 5 is the same thing as 5 minus 2. And don't forget, when you're having questions like this, the bigger number, the sign with the bigger number will be the sign of your answer. If the bigger number has negative, your answer will be negative. If the bigger number is positive, your answer will be positive. So we have 3 minus 3, and this will be 0. So that means the elevator will be on floor 0. The elevator will be on floor 0. So now, how else can we figure it out? I love to use diagram. So now let's try and use a diagram. Now, this is the elevator. This is the elevator. So now the elevator is on -2. Let's first try. Let's draw this line. So this is -2. The elevator is on -2. This is -3. This will be -1. This will be 0. And this will be, we have 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, and so on. So now it says the elevator is on -2, which is -2. It is here. The elevator is here. This is the starting point. Now it goes up 5 floors. Now let's try and go up 5 floors. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it goes up 5 floors, that means the elevator will be here. Now, then it goes down 3 floors. Now let's move the elevator down 3 times. So from this place now, it goes down like this: 1, 2, and then 3. So that means it goes down like this: 1, 2, and 3. So the elevator is stopping here, because then it says which floor is it on. So the elevator will be on floor 0. So is there any other way you think we can figure this out, or were you able to figure it out using another method? Let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the next one.